Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial. In this tutorial, you will be able to learn 4 different types of sheet metal command in SOLIDWORKS. Base flange tab, edge flange, sketched bend, and extruded cut in sheet metal. So by the end of this video, you will be able to learn these important sheet metal commands. So let's begin. First, open a new file and we are going to open a part file. So click on this part file and then click OK. Let me tell you how to enable the sheet metal tab. I have enabled the sheet metal tab. Right click here, and in this tabs window, let me just disable this sheet metal tab. Then right click here in tabs. This right here is the sheet metal tab. So when you click here, the sheet metal tab will be available for you. So that's how you can enable the sheet metal tab. Now sketch on the top plane, and here we need to select this center rectangle command. So make a center rectangle at this origin. Now select the smart dimensioning tool, and now we need to specify the length of this line. This is 100 millimeter. Press enter. Select this line, set dimension 100, press enter button. All right. Change the background to plain white here just to have a better look. Then select this line tool and make a straight line. Then again select the line tool and make a straight line here. And then we need to select the 3-point arc. From here select the 3-point arc. Select this point, first point, second point, this one, and here 3 points. That's why it is called 3-point arc. Select the smart dimensioning tool, specify the radius of this arc as 10 millimeter, and then select this circle because we are going to make a circle here, and then select the smart dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of this circle as 10. And now we need to make a relation here. We need to make a vertical relation. So press the control button on your keyboard, select this center point of the rectangle, press the control button and select this circle, and here we need to make the relation as vertical. We have done this thing because we want this rectangle center and the circle center to be at the same center line. All right. So now we need to mirror entities, but before that we need to make a center line. So select a center line here and make a straight horizontal line like this. We don't need to specify the length of this line. This can be small line or long, doesn't matter. Select the mirror entities, and in this window nothing else can be selected. If anything is selected, just press and delete. We need to select only these lines: 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right, we need to select only these 4 things in this window, and in this next window we need to select only this horizontal line, and this entire thing will be mirrored here. This right here is mirrored here. So now check this, and now we can see that this area is not shaded. So select this trim entities. This power tool should be selected and just cut this line. Now this area is shaded, okay, and we need to do the same thing here. We need to cut this line, and now this area has become the shaded area. Shaded area means we can perform any further actions on this thing. I will perform and I will let you know. We need to specify the distance between these 2 points as 30 millimeter. Now the sketch is fully defined. Okay, and now we need to go to sheet metal and perform some action here. We need to select this base flange, And here we need to specify some parameters. Mostly we need to specify the thickness here. So this right here is the thickness. It is 1.5 millimeter, and there are some options that we can select. This is the reverse direction, but we don't need this reverse direction. There are many other options, but keep them as it is. We only have to specify here the thickness. We have specified here 1.5. Just check this box. And now before moving any further, let's apply some color. Let me tell you from the start. In appearance, in metal, go to steel, and here you can specify any appearance you like. All right, so that's how you can specify any appearance. Okay, so now it's time to select this edge flange. So this is the next command that you are going to learn now. This is the edge flange, and we need to select this edge and drag it upward like this. So this is the first edge, it's appeared here, and this is the next one. So select this edge and drag upward. And now we need to specify some parameters. Here, this right here is the radius. You need to uncheck this, use default radius, because we need to specify here some radius. So 2 mm is the radius. You can specify the radius according to your requirement. So this is 2 mm that is applied on both the edges. You can specify any angle. Let me specify any random angle. All right, so you can specify any 45 degree, 56 degree, any angle according to your requirement. So I'm applying here 90 as angle. And the next parameter that we have to specify is the length. So here we need to specify the length of this edge. I am specifying here 35. You can specify here according to your requirement. And here we have some options. We have flange pattern. This is actually material condition, material in, material out. Let me show you. This is material out condition, this is material in, and this is in between. So you can specify any condition here according to your requirement. Just keep here material in. Okay, now check this box, and we are going to use this edge flange one more time. So select this edge flange, drag this edge on right direction, and drag this edge, drag the other edge toward the other direction. And similarly we can specify the parameters just like we have done previously. Here we need to specify the radius. So this right here is the radius. We have to specify the angle. 90 is perfect. Here we need to specify the length. I am specifying here 22, and let me change it so that you can have a better idea of it. 40, but in my case it's 22, so keep it 22. There is another option, this is offset. So if I select this offset option, the 22 will be added as offset here. I don't need this offset, so I have to uncheck this. There is material condition, you can apply. This is material in, but you can also apply this material out, right? Check the box. And now we need to learn one more thing, that is stretched bend. So before that we need to make a line here. So make a horizontal line, specify the distance from this line to this point as 6 millimeter, and then go to sheet metal tab and select this stretched band, this option stretched band. And here you need to select this right side of the part, and it will be stretched like this. Here you can change the angle, and this right here is 90 degree. Of course you can change the angle from here. You can specify the angle according to your requirement, but 90 degree is perfect here. And you can just make it as downward like this. And you can also change the radius here. This radius is very small, so you can specify here the radius. And there is material and material out condition as well. So there are many options that you can choose. Check this box. So this is stretched band, a very useful command in sheet metal. And now we need to make 4 holes. So make a sketch on top surface. Here you need to select the center line and select the circle command. Here I'm going to make a circle. I will make only one circle, and I will mirror entities. I will use this mirror entities, and let me show you how you can do it very quickly. From this point to this point, the distance is 25 millimeter. And here we need to make the same circle here, here, and here. For that I will use 2 center lines. From here to here, a straight line. The length of this line doesn't matter. It can be a small line, it can be a large, doesn't matter. Okay, so don't care about these lines, the length of these lines. Make sure these lines are straight. Select the mirror entities, and in this window no other line should be selected. If any other line like this is selected, you have to delete it. Only this circle should be selected here, right? And the next window, that is mirror about, you need to select this line, and this circle is mirrored. Check this box. Now do the same procedure again. Mirror entities. In this window we need to select these 2 circles, only these 2 circles. Okay, and in the next window, mirror about window, we need to select this line, vertical line, and these circles are mirrored here. And now what we need to do is go into the sheet metal tab and select this extruded cut in sheet metal. And here we need to select this link to thickness, box, this one, and check this box, and holes are created. So in this video, we have learned 4 very useful commands in sheet metal. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.